The GitHub pull request and issues extension makes it easy to start working on a GitHub issue directly from VS Code. Now, here I already have the extension installed, and I currently have the VS Code repository itself open. Now, let's say I want to fix an issue over in VS Code. I'm going to go to the GitHub view to start with. So over in the activity bar, find the GitHub view here. And you can see I have a pull request view, but then below that, I also have the issues view down here. I'm going to expand the issues view. And now you can see that the GitHub issues extension is displaying all of the issues that are currently assigned to me. So you can see that it is sorted by milestones currently. I could just scroll through this list, and let's just go and find a fun one here. So if I go and I hover over something like this here, you can see the issue description, and I could actually go and visit the issue by clicking on the little links over here, open those on GitHub. But to start working on this issue, say I actually want to go and fix this, I can just right click on this and say start working on issue. Now, behind the scenes, what VS Code has gone and done here is actually created a new branch. So you can see we're on a new branch here. And then also down in the status bar, you can see that this is the current issue that we are working on. If I switch over to the source control view, you can also see that it has filled in the source control commit message with a fixed message here, and it's automatically using the issue title as part of that commit message as well. So now we could actually go and fix the issue. So I'm just going to go into the README here to kind of simulate making a change. So I'll add an extra space here. And now I'm going to go and commit this. So again, I'm using the predefined commit message that the create new issue flow helped fill in here. And once I'm done working on this issue, I can just go click on the status bar down here to manage what I actually want to do with this branch. So I'm going to click down here in the status bar on the issue number. And now you can see I could go and create a new pull request, for example, on GitHub. I could stop working on the issue, go back to the main branch. Let's just do create pull request. And I'm going to do Microsoft here, or Origin actually is the main one. Now it's just asking me for a few pieces of input here, so I'll say commit. It is actually going and creating the PR currently. And now we are actually working on a pull request. So you can see I'm down here, and now I have a pull request that is open. And if I wanted to, I could go and review this on GitHub as well. So there's actually a pull request open on the GitHub repository for this issue number here. So that's just a quick look at how you can go from having a GitHub issue to actually going and creating a pull request and merging that in using the GitHub pull request and issues extension for VS Code.